Hello, today we will learn how to run our test in parallel, which will speed up their execution time significantly. I will also discuss when this not be beneficial. I have prepared 10 simple tests in which I use the sleep method to introduce a delay of 1 second, so that the difference in time would be more obvious. Let's run them. I will add a V marker for verbose output. I'll speed up it. As you can see, the tests took 10 seconds. Let's run them in parallel now. For this, we need an external library, PYTEST-XDIST. Let's install it. We can specify the exact number of threads like this. After our standard call, we add the N marker and specify how many threads we need. We are setting it to 5 threads. And thus we see that we have speed up our test almost 5 times. Besides this type of call, you can also use this one, where you first indicate that you are running it from Python 3. It's more universal and thus will work where the first call might have issues. We can also determine the number of threads automatically, but it's not always optimal. To do this, after the letter N, write the word auto. If you want to run them through PyCharm, then just add in additional arguments what you would write in the terminal. So, it seems that now we can run our test twice as fast or even faster. But in practice it's a bit different. You might have a weak node on which you run your test in Jenkins, and when you split them into threads, the test will run one after another, and they will not pass as fast as you expected, but longer than you do without split. So be careful. There are many interesting aspects that an automator should know, and I plan to cover them on this channel. So subscribe and also write in the comments what else you would like to see on the channel. Have a great day!